Hello friends, today I would like to guide how to get clients from LinkedIn, different types of clients. As example, if you are a freelancer, you can just click on jobs and type WordPress or any city or state or country, then find relevant job. So these are the WordPress jobs globally, or you can also show list or find jobs from United States or any other countries. So I'd like to find globally junior web developer remote web developer. Yeah, this is for easy apply. So just need to check. Can I apply for the job from Bangladesh? Because lots of clients are asking different or specific locations, or they might not have remote opportunities. So I'm just, yeah, short answer no, you cannot apply for the job if you're in Bangladesh, US citizen. So I'm going to skip, just checking other jobs like this. So let me check the job too, just question sign. Yeah, work term WT only, US employees. So I'm going to skip the job too. Now this one, just going to check. Yeah, let me check this too. Yeah, this can be applied from Bangladesh. Anyway, let's click on easy apply. Shopify developer. I have enough or good experience in Shopify, and I'll also check the requirements like this: development experience, oral and communication skill. Anyway, I have good skills. So just next, then it's my resume or CV. So let me open my resume or CV. First of all, I have added my name, email, WhatsApp, Upwork, PPAs, GitHub profile, and video portfolio, professional summary, technical skills, and professional experience, work experience. Then education level, course, and work samples as references. So just let me select this, and there is also Shopify skills added in that resume. So review and submit application. So when you will be submitting application regular basis, you'll get message like this. Client will message you, and client can also send email associated in your resume. This way you can get hired from lots of clients. And another way, you can just follow this guy like this. You can message or direct message occasionally, and you can follow or like the post of that company and make regular comments. Yeah, so we can just um, follow the company, and occasionally we can send direct message if possible. Anyway, I have reached the limit. Uh, so this is a way, and you also need to customize your profile very well. Like you need to add good titles, uh, experience, relevant images, need to create post regular basis, need to add portfolio under about, education, skills, interest, and all other important things because it's important. Uh, Another way you can regular you can post regular basis on LinkedIn and to attract the clients like what you are working on and what you are skilled on and very strongly. And if you are not freelancer or finding just real estate agents, you can just type real estate agents in California and their LinkedIn. You can just find their LinkedIn's from Google or AI. These are the agent. Yeah, real estate agents, Los Angeles, California. Just it's loading. You can also find clients on different niche, any type of niche, because LinkedIn is basically developed for professional uh, of a company. Like you can also open the profile of any guy. Yeah, just open the profile, and after opening the profile, you can just um, follow, and occasionally you can send direct message, polite message to them. Then the profile should be opened, real estate investor or agent or realtor. Then you can just follow or send message. It's better to follow and comment or like of their regular posts, and you can send regular message or polite message to them, and you can also uh, send request proposal to this guy. These are the real estate agent. Yeah, here is another real estate agent. You can just follow and send message. So it's another way to get relevant clients. Uh, some other ways you can just go to the messaging list, and if your client is not responding for the first email, you can just second another message uh, to get the follow-up emails or leads and send the proposal letter. And on important way, we can just go and buy the LinkedIn Sales Navigator to message to any type of client, and the limit will increase. And you can just regularly send a message from LinkedIn and have replace from some clients. So thank you guys. We can just apply those methods to get clients from LinkedIn.